हेलो फ्रेंड, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम। होर की हाल चाल आ फ्रेंड्स। अज का अपना ये वीडियो बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कंसैप्ट्स ते आ। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट फ्रेंड्स जनरल पब्लिक दे कुछ कंसैप्ट्स ने, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कंसैप्ट्स ने जिहड़े नहीं क्लीयर, जिवें जुडिशियल रिव्यू, वट इज़ जुडिशियल रिव्यू, रूल ऑफ लॉ, सैपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स, डिवीजन ऑफ पावर्स, PIL, फेडरेशन, यूनिटरी, यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट्स और सुपरमेसी ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और स्पैशल पावर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्पैशल लीगल सैंक्टिटी। अज दे अपने इस वीडियो विच ये सारे कंसैप्ट्स जिहड़े आ मैं क्लीयर करांगा तुहाडे। सो लैट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स। फर्स्ट इज़ जुडिशियल रिव्यू। जुडिशियल रिव्यू इज़ ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसैप्ट in the Constitution of India. Judicial review is a power of judiciary. Judicial review means if legislature, there are three organs of the government: legislature, executive and judiciary. If legislature passes any law which is against the provisions of the Constitution, then judiciary has the power to declare that law as void, unconstitutional or illegal. This is called the judicial review power of constitution of judiciary, you can say. So judicial review is so important that legislature can't frame and pass that law which is against the provisions of the constitution. So this is judicial review. Rule of law. Second, rule of law means all are equal in the eyes of law, irrespective of color, creed, place of birth, rich, poor. So all are equal in the eyes of law. That's why you see the statue of justice has a patti on the eyes, means all are equal. There is no discrimination on the basis of color, creed, caste, rich, poor, place of birth. This is rule of law. Third is the separation of powers. Separation of power means that the powers are separated between different organs of the government. There are three organs of the government: legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature is responsible for the framing and passing of law. Executive is responsible for the execution or implementation of that law. And judiciary is responsible if anybody violates that law which is framed and passed by the legislature and implemented by the executive violates, and judiciary is there to punish that person. This is the separation of powers. Then comes to the division of powers. Division of power means in a federation the powers are divided between the center and states. Federation means two set of governments. One is at the union level, others are at the state levels. As India is a union of states, we have division of powers between center and states. We have three lists: union list, state list and concurrent list. Union list, the subjects, more important subjects are in union list, and the union government or the central government can frame laws for the subjects which are in the union list. For example, defense, communication, foreign affairs. State list, the state governments can frame law and pass law on the subjects which are in state list: law and order, agriculture, irrigation. So the state governments are responsible for framing law about the subjects which are in a state list. Concurrent list. Concurrent list is that list for which central government and state government both can frame law. For example, education. Education is at center as well as the state governments can frame laws. Health. This is the division of powers. Next is the PIL, public interest litigation. This is a very important in Indian judicial system or in Indian justice system, judicial system and justice system, you can say. PIL in India became very famous during the Chief Justice of India, P.N. Bhagwati. He introduced the concept of PIL in 1986. Public interest litigation means the litigation can be filed to protect public interest, public concern anybody from the country can file PIL. Even on a postcard of 2 rupees, you can write to the Chief Justice of India about that public interest or public concern, and judiciary will take action. It is a litigation. You can file litigation in 2 ways in PIL. Number 1, Article 32 to Supreme Court, Article 226 to High Court through a proper writ petitions. And the importance and beauty of PIL is that even any person can write on postcard to protect any public interest or a matter of public concern. This is PIL, very important concept in judicial system or Indian justice system. Federation. Federation means 2 sets of government. The USA Federation is a model federation for the world. USA Federation, 50 states get together and form the federation. Federation means one government at the center, at the top, as we have government of United States of America, and all other 50 states have their own governments. India is a vast country. We are divided into states for administrative convenience. No 2 federations can be alike. USA Federation, 50 states get together and form the federation. In India, from the top, from the union, the country is divided into states. We have 28 states. So 2 sets of government, one at the center level, others are at the state level. This is called federation. Next is unitary. Unitary means only one government at the top. There are no state governments in that country where we will find unitary set of governance system. Unitary constitutions.
Belgium.
France, German. These are the best examples of unitary countries. Next is the supremacy of constitution. It means nobody is above the constitution. The constitution enjoys special legal sanctity because it derives its powers from the people. We the people of India surrender ourselves to the constitution, means we give power to the constitution to govern us. And all other organs of the government, whether that is legislature, executive or judiciary, they derive their powers from the constitution. So constitution enjoys special legal sanctity. Constitution is supreme. Nobody means nobody is above the constitution. So friends, these are some concepts from the constitution which everybody must know. Everybody must understand what do you mean by judicial review, division of powers, separation of powers, public interest litigation, federal system of governance, unitary system of governance, union of states, supremacy of constitution. So friends, these are the important concepts everybody must know. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਤੇ